Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Barber. I hope you're still finding ways to create and innovate while you're at home. Maybe you didn't know this, but I'm still a student just like you, and I'm working on a master's degree in instructional media, which is just a fancy way of saying teaching with technology. And for my latest assignment, I need your help. I am hoping you and your family will join me over the next week to complete an at-home STEM challenge using the engineering design process, which you're familiar with from the STEM lab. First, you identify the problem, which I'm about to give you in the form of the challenge. Then you brainstorm a solution. You can do this stage by just collaborating with your family members that plan to help you. Next, you create your design. Go ahead and talk about it or draw it on a piece of paper. Then you build your design and test it as you go, redesigning if necessary. Finally, you share your solution. To do this step, just take a picture of your final creation and send it to Mrs. Barber at pbarber@pasdedu.org. This contact info can also be found in the poster you see on your screen, our district Facebook page, and my district website. Are you ready for the challenge? These days, it's all about being resourceful at home. So my STEM challenge for you is, can you build a freestanding tower that measures 4 feet tall or taller out of materials that you already have in your home? For an added challenge, find a way to measure your tower and tell me how tall it actually stands in standard or non-standard units of measure. Remember to use the engineering design process just like we do in the PAES Smart Lab. Take a picture of your design and share it with me, Mrs. Barber, by Wednesday, April 15th, 2020, and be entered to win a fun STEM prize. Thank you and have a great time building together.